the parent company of how do you say Jaguar? Do you say Jaguar or Jaguar? That's if you're British, you say Jaguar.
The first one.
Jaguar?
Yeah.
Like, all right. So yeah, I do the same thing. But people get upset, for example, with Porsche. If you don't say Porsche, you have to put Porsche. Anyway, car company pronunciation. They are mad, actually, at the Porsche parent company, VW. They're mad at Audi and all the rest of it. They had some patent on some unique four-wheel drive stuff. By the way, the parent company Tata is an Indian company. Tata, JLR. They purchased the UK-based Land Rover / Jaguar a long time ago, and they're having a dispute over a certain four-wheel drive technology. And this dispute has now led to them attempting to have imports in the US banned for Audi, Porsche, Volkswagen, and Lamborghini SUVs. Because believe it or not, all those varieties of companies, like Volkswagen owns everything now.
Right.
You can include a lot of luxury brands. They own a little bit of everything. Yeah. Massive company. Anyway, apparently, I guess they snagged this particular technology. There's a name for it. What do they call it? The broad range of surfaces technology, or a technology that helps these vehicles negotiate a broad range of surfaces. It's a key feature in the Jaguar F-Pace and the Land Rover Discovery vehicles. And then I guess something similar or similar enough to cause the ruckus showed up in SUVs from Audi, Volkswagen, Lamborghini, Porsche. So this, every single Porsche Cayenne that you see on the road there, they're trying to block them. Stop the imports until they get this sorted out or get some sort of a cash payment or something like this. So this just illustrated to me, well, for one, how big of a deal Volkswagen is owning 17 different brands underneath it. And also, how do these things, it made me think about how these things leak. Like, who brings that tech? Sound like a software thing. To me, did they poach some employees, some developers, throw it into their vehicles? Or is the whole, I mean, we don't obviously know, but that's what they're aiming to do. So I don't know how effective it will be. They'll probably come to some sort of settlement before it has to go too deep. They also filed patent lawsuits in federal courts in Delaware and New Jersey seeking cash compensation for use of this technology. So we'll see what they end up doing, if it's cash compensation or some other thing. But in the meantime, they're trying to block those imports.